Since I was little, my dad's always told me, you need me, you call me.
By a show of hands, how many here has had a family like that? Anybody? No. Okay, nobody here. Nobody here. I'm not one of those people who has. But I have started to repair my relationship with my family, especially my mom. My name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections with your family. Now, listen, the way I've done it is by helping them understand more about me, but also listening to them. Being able to hold space for them was the biggest thing that I could do because they didn't grow up with all these self help techniques. They were basically in survival mode. And for me to step into their shoes and understand how they felt about their experiences having me, I think they did a damn good job. I think they did a damn good job despite everything that's happened to them and helped me get to where I am today. So maybe they didn't do everything exactly the way I would want it to, but I have some compassion for them and I listened to them and I was able to connect. And you can too.